Hey, this is Roger. I'm on location out here at Millbridge in the D.R. Horton section in the back, really right next to the Emerald Home section. Now, first thing about Millbridge, if you've seen my videos, and if you haven't, please subscribe. But look at that. It's got brick on the foundations. They got extra wide front porches. That is a Millbridge thing. So do the math on that with me. Now, this is the D.R. Horton model, and they're right here back to Emerald Homes. That's their luxury brand. This is called the Cape Romaine. Now, if you notice the high gables on that, you'll see architecturally one of the reasons I like this plan so well. You got their crown going all the way through. Now, this is an unusually large study. Beautiful. And I'm thinking about me because my wife and I are always talking that both her big desk and my not so big desk would fit in there. Good sized dining room. Now, here's why this is so cool. Talk about multi-generational. Let's just say that you've got a kid coming back from college in their 20s. Can't afford a house yet. We got a bedroom for them upstairs with their own bath. Now that's money. Trust me on that. And let them pay some rent. Put it in an account and give it to them when they're ready for their down payment. Now this backs up to Waxhaw Marvin Road. And so this is a good one. These, by the way, Cape Romaines are priced in the $350 to $380 range. Now, you've got a parent or parents, mom and dad, that are say in their 70s, 80s, and so they don't want to leave wherever they are. But guess what? You give them this master bedroom down, you'll get it at some point, but let them have a full-blown master with a nice laundry room right here on the main level. Good-looking coffer, there's crown in there, got a great-looking shower. This is how you entice them. And I know I'm going to get calls from mom or dad saying, hey, I see what you're trying to do. Well, really what I'm trying to do is give you a multi-generational experience under one roof that, by the way, it happens to be really cost effective when you think about it. Because you can literally move 3 generations in here. So you've got mom and or dad right there in that master on the main. Good looking house, the Cape Romaine. Big wide open, you've got plenty of room here. Now there's another room, which is a guest suite. And my wife would like this. If we had that master and we had a guest suite on the main level, there's something really great about that for us. Because what happens when somebody comes to visit, you know, kid with grandkids, and they don't want to have to go up and downstairs with the grandkids. Well, here's a perfect guest suite for your friends and family that are visiting. So this is the second bedroom on the main level, and there is a full bath right next to it. I hope you're doing the math because this is a 4-bedroom, 2 up and 2 down, and 4-bath home. Light cabinets. So your reference is Millbridge, and you want to give me a call at 704-345-3400. So we've got either you and or mom and dad up right in that back master bedroom, and let's go upstairs. You know, if you got kids in the 20s, and you got parents in the 70s, 80s, and you're in the middle there somewhere, you don't mind going up and down the stairs. I mean, you pay that much money a month for a gym membership. Just come up and down the stairs for a while. And this then, see, this is some great space right here. Just, you know, for a desk. And then you've got a loft right here for either a desk, furniture, sitting room, reading room. This is a large room in the Cape Romaine. Plus, it's got its own bathroom. So in essence, you've got 4 baths and 4 bedrooms. 3 of the bedrooms have baths attached to them en suite. Like this one's a shower. So I'm saying this one's for you. Ready to go. And then to be able to get this in that price point, $350 to $380. This one's right about $380. Pretty special. Another little storage room. And then here's one that, you know, your college kid, it's got its own bathroom, so they've got their own space. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. If you're relocating to Charlotte, I'd love to be your buyer's agent. You can tell I know a little bit about what I'm doing. I'm kind of like Farmers Insurance. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. And I'm really loving Millbridge, the amenity center. Type Millbridge in my YouTube channel. See all the videos of Millbridge, several builders. I'd love to be your buyer's agent. No cost to you. The seller pays my fee. 704-345-3400.